Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. How many of you are currently you're leading or working in remote teams? Please type in comment box remote. And how many of you feel like managing a team virtually is a lot more challenging than in a traditional office? If you are agree, please type in comment box traditional. You are not alone. In today's fast changing work environment, leading remote teams effectively is one of the biggest challenge professional face. My name is Dharmendra Singh and also known as PM Dharmendra, and I will be sharing with you best practices for leading remote teams, whether your team is fully remote or operating in a hybrid environment. These tips will help you ensure clear communication, strong collaboration, and high productivity, no matter where your team member are located. Now, question is, what's in it for me? What's in it for you? By the end of this session, you will have actionable strategies and that will help you lead your remote team with confidence, build a connected team culture, and ensure your team stay engaged and productive even when you are not in same physical space. Let me tell you why this matter to me. In recent years, I have managed multiple remote teams across different time zones and industries, and while it comes with its own challenges, I have learned that with the right approach, remote leadership can be just as effective and if not more so than in office leadership. Today, I am excited to share some practical tips that have worked for me and can work for you too. Here are 6 best practices to help you become an effective virtual leader. First one, set clear expectation. One of the most critical element of remote leadership is setting clear expectations. When your team is working from different locations, and clarity on roles, tasks, and deadlines becomes even more important. The question is how to set clear expectations. So now we will see define goals, responsibility, and deliverables for each team members. Be clear about communication channels, when and how should they reach out for updates. Set expectations around work hours, availability, and response times. Why does this work? Setting clear expectations ensures that everyone knows what expectations of them, and which reduces confusion and keeps everyone aligned no matter where they are working from. Second is communicate frequently and transparently. In remote teams, communication is everything. Without face-to-face interaction, frequently and transparent communication becomes the glue that holds everything together. Now is how to improve communication. Schedule regular check-ins and team meetings via video calls to stay connected. Use tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom. There are many tools such Microsoft Teams for real-time communication and collaboration. Encourage open communication. Create a safe space for team members to voice concern and share feedback and ask questions. Why does this work? Frequent communication helps build trust and ensure that everyone stays on the same page. It also allows you to identify issues early on and address them before they escalate. Third thing, use the right tools for collaboration. To lead a remote team effectively, you need the right for collaboration with so many options available today. It's crucial to choose tools that streamline communication, task management, and file sharing. Key tools for remote collaboration: project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to track tasks. Even Microsoft Project web version you can use it, and communication platform like Zoom, Microsoft Team, and discussions file sharing platform like Google Drive or Dropbox to make sure everyone has access to the documents they need. Why does this work? The right tool ensure smooth collaboration and prevent tasks from falling through the cracks. Everyone knows that what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, and how to access the necessary resources. Now is fourth technique: build trust with flexibility. One of the perk of remote work is flexible. But as a leader, you need to find the right balance between giving your team freedom and ensure productivity. Trust your team to manage their time and deliver results while also being available to support them. Now, how to build trust through flexibility? Focus on outcomes rather than hours. Judge your team by the quality of their work, not the time they spend online. Be open to different working hours, especially if your team is spread across time zones. Empower your team to make decisions and take ownership of their tasks. Why does this work? When you trust your team and offer flexibility and you foster a culture of the accountability, your team members will feel empowered and motivated to deliver their best work. Now, fifth technique is foster team connection and engagement. Remote work can often feel isolating, so it's important to build a sense of community and connection within your virtual team. How to foster connection and engagement? Organize virtual team building activity or casual coffee chats to encourage bonding outside of work tasks. Celebrate team wins, whether big or small, through recognition and in-team meetings or on communication platform. Encourage collaboration between team members on the projects to build a sense of partnership. Why does this work? A strong team connection improves morale, collaboration, and overall engagement, which leads to higher performance and job satisfaction. Now, sixth is provide regular feedback and support. Finally, effective leadership involves providing consistent feedback and offering support. Without the ability to walk by someone's desk for a quick chat, regular feedback sessions are crucial for keeping your team motivated and aligned. Now, how to provide feedback in remote teams? Schedule one-on-one meetings to offer feedback, recognize achievements, and discuss challenges. Be clear and constructive in your feedback. Focus on growth and improvements. Offer support and guidance when team members face obstacles and ensure they have the resources they need to succeed. Why does this work? Regular feedback helps employees feel valued and supported. It also provides opportunities for growth and improvement, which keeps your team engaged and committed to their work. Now, I would like to say or call to action. I like it because there is no law of attraction without action. So CTA is very important. So here is what I want you to do. Start implementing these best practices tomorrow. Set clear expectations. Communicate of fun and use the right tool. Trust your team, foster connection, and give regular feedback. These strategies will help you lead your remote team with confidence and create a productive, engaged workforce no matter where they are located. Leaders is not about being there in person. It's about being present no matter the distance. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to my channel for more tips on leadership, productivity, and personal development. And thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.